this group. All these years, nothing has been able to beat the energy that these gentlemen carry with them. Believe me, they've been singing there, they've been everywhere. You can see all of them. But as of now, turn your attention to the cross there. We have the traditional crowning of the cross done by none other than Matthias Dibade. Ladies and gentlemen, once the cross is crowned, all you have to do is chant Sanja, Sanja, Viva Sanja. Matthias Dibade, sir, up to you. Come on now, almost there.
Paging Daryl and his group to please come on to the stage, next to the stage over here.
Get your hands together
Side stage.
for Matthias Dibade. Sanja,
Daryl and
Sanja.
his group, you're going to perform.
Sanja,
next.
Sanja.
So requesting you to please come at the side stage over here. Daryl and his troop from Goa Tourism Dance Failure requesting you to please come to the side stage because you're going to perform right away. Daryl and his group. Yeah, he's there.
We have on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the most energetic boat parade boys out here. Holy Cross boys, Shapora. Sajao, Sajao.
Viva Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! Okay, Shapora boys, Holy Cross, Santa Cruz Shapora boys. तुमका कोणान चोड मोगान देव बरें करूंक म्हणटा तुमी हांगा हाडलेल्याक सगल्यांक एकवटान रावचे आमी आतां आमचे कातार चालू आमी मातशें ड्रॉप केली आमची कातारां पॉलिटिशियन कातारां म्हणूंक जायना म्हणून आमी ड्रॉप अप केले पूण आमचे कडेन बॅक ड्रॉप कातारां आसा तुमकां एंटरटेन करपाक सजाव सजाव संवसारांतलो सगलो सुशोग तुमकां फावो जावं सर्गीचे आज बडवे राखोंक मागता हांव कोण वायट चिंता तांचें सोंचें बरें जावं काशान पडोन हे वरोस सांजेचे नेवऱ्यो करून घाल रे गोंया आमचे रे गोंया तुमचे आतां म्हाज्या बेडान आयला उदक काडूंक बायचे हे गोठान रावचे जानोशीब आमचे फुडाराक बरें जातलें काशान घालून खावचें सोपीत गोवा सुंदर सुंदर गांव धाकटुलो सुदरपाचो योग उकळ्ळा दोळो बिजली घालपाचो वाव सुरू जातलो सांगता कोमयेच्या कुडान पासून उजवाड आसतलो रे सांगोंक जायना जाता पळय तेन्ना शेणांतलो किडो केन्ना शेणांत उरोना सुदारप जागना जाता पळय तेन्ना सांगता नाल्लाचे कोटेक पासून बुराक आसना नासलेले दीस रे येतले नासलेल्याक आसलो करून दाखयतले रातचे रानान पाडे सारूंक वेतले ताचे फाटीक बॅटरी शिंगाक दिवे पेटले रे सांगोंक जायना जाता पळय तेन्ना शेणांतलो किडो केन्ना शेणांत उरो सुदारप जागना जाता पळय तेन्ना सांगता नाल्लाचे कोटेक पासून जुवाक आसना सोपीत गोवा जितर सोर धाकटुलो सुदरपाचो योग उकळ्ळा दोळो बिजली घालपाचो वाव सुरू जातलो सांगता कोमयेच्या गुडेन पासून उजवाड आसतलो सांगता नाल्लाचे कोटेक पासून उजवाड आसतलो विवा सांजाव विवा आयज दीस वर्तता खुशालकायेचो तुमकां पळोवन जीव मुरगोटाय आमचो शिवर मारूंक आयल्या खोशेच्या उतराचो आज येतो व्हडलो दीस आमच्या सांजियांचो सांजियांव कंपनी आमी सगळे जाण शापोरचे भुरगे आमी कोणाक भियेनात आजो पासून आमी सगळे संवसारान भोंवतले आमी एकवटान सांता क्रुज कंपनी आमी सगळे जाण शपोरचे भुरगे आमी
कोणाक भियेना
आसो पासून आमी
सगळे संवसारान भोंवतले आमी एकवटान
आयज दीस वर्तता खुशालकायेचो तुमकां पळोवन जीव मुरगोटाय आमचो शिवर मारूंक आयल्या खोशाच्या उतराचो कित्याक आयज व्हडलो दीस आमचो सांजी आमचो शवले कंपनी आमी सगळे जाण शवलचे भुरगे आमी कोणाक भियेना असो पासून आमी सगळे संवसारान चौथा क्रूज कंपनी आमी सगळे जाण शवलचे भुरगे आमी कोणाक भियेना असो पासून आमी सगळे संवसारान
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this wonderful
next year. See you
team of
next year.
this.
Okay, we'll come with
Holy
Anisa.
Cross Chapora.
Thank you very much.
A big round of
God bless.
applause to them.
Come to Shapara Jetty. We have a program also.
Next year, we have something very special for you, especially for Sanjiao. Viva Sanjiao!
Viva Sanjay!
Viva Sanjiao!
Thank you.
Viva Sanjiao! All right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Holy Cross Chapora boys. Once again, make some noise for them. Michael, thank you.
What did I tell you guys? Energy coming from where? No idea, but there is. To wake you guys up one more time. Sajao, Sajao! Sajao, Sajao! Sajao, Sajao! Coming your way next, ladies and gentlemen, we have a dance performance by the Department of Goa Tourism, requesting the members of Dance Ophelia, Daryl and team to kindly assemble on stage. Thank you.
All right, requesting the members of the Zoro boys to please come on stage. One day. Zoro boys, come. Hey, come decide. And ladies and gentlemen, I had announced a prize for the oldest man. Are all the young men over here? I'm going to give a prize. The first gold coin going out this evening. All right? The oldest person. Achun kon burgaha? Nala divya.
Ladies and gentlemen, this young man has been patiently waiting.
Anthony Banerjee. Anthony Banerjee.
His name is Antonio Fernandez.
Antonio Fernandez. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together because he has won a gold coin. The first gold coin going out to this wonderful person.
He is 80 years young. Give it up for this
May
young
I
gentleman. Come on. now.
Requesting one of our committee members and a good friend of mine, Elmiro Gomes, to give away the prize. Elmiro Gomes, please come over here. Okay, Alison. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands together for the first gold coin winner. Now, Sangla, no? Okay.
Sanjiao, Sanjiao! Sanjiao, Sanjiao! आम्ही जोर बॉयज तुमच्या मुखार आयल्या आमची बोट घेऊन जाचें नांव जावन आसा गोंय आमचें दायज तर पळोवयात आमचो देखावो
फेस्काईन उपट बोल्ला दायस्ते गोंयचे हुशार आमचे पुर्वज आसले दायस्ते मोगाचे सोगड पडून वजाप जाता गोंय शांतीचे गोंयकार केन्नाच विसरचे ना देणे देवाचे सान्ना वडे गोंयची फेस्तां चड सोबयता सोरपोतेल आमच्या जेवणाची रूच वाडयता गोंयकारांची आवड शीतकोडी ते इश्टा आंबट पारा कारेंदा दोसकाय हाडटा सान्ना वडे गोंयची फेस्तां चड सोबयता सोरपोतेल आमच्या जेवणाची रूच वाडयता गोंयकारांची आवड शीतकोडी ते इश्टा आंबट पारा कारेंदा दोसकाय हाडटा रोगड्या वेल्ले आयन वांटोत वेगळीच रुजिता दांत्यार पीड दोन नेवऱ्यो वडे भाजिता कातार करून रेंदेर मामा माडार सूर काडटा फेस्ताक गारान सान्नां केल्यार दादोसकाय जाता संगीत वाजतोच गोंयकार नाचोन करता दुवर फुटबॉल खेरीत गोंयकारांच्या रोगताचो पावर गोंयची फेणी पियेत म्हणटा प्लीज गीव मी मोर पुर्वजांचे दायज विसरचे ना मोरोसूर संगीत वाजतोच गोंयकार नाचोन करता दुवर फुटबॉल खेरीत गोंयकारांच्या रोगताचो पावर गोंयची फेणी पियेत म्हणटा प्लीज गीव मी मोर पुर्वजांचे दायज विसरचे ना मोरोसूर तियात्र मांडे गोंयकारांची व्हडती दादोसकाय शिगमो कार्नावाल गोंयकारांची व्हडविकाय गोंयची राणी कोंकणी मायभास आमची वस्मिताय गोंयची शेतां दोंगर भाटां आमची गिरस्ताय पोदेर रेंदेर नुस्तेकार दोंदे आदल्याचे गोंयकारांनी एकवटान राखूंक वावुरचे मांडे फुगडी देखणी कुर्रोदी दायज गोंयचे विवा गोवा गोंयचें दायज वयर आमी काडचें पोदेर रेंदेर नुस्तेकार दोंदे आदल्याचे गोंयकारांनी एकवटान राखूंक वावुरचे मांडे फुगडी देखणी कुर्रोदी दायज गोंयचे विवा गोवा गोंयचें दायज वयर आमी काडचें
This message is in English so that all those out here can understand the message that I'm going to give you all. Our heritage is not going to survive by remembering it, but if we live it, the traditions, music, dances, occupations, language, and the values that define Goa are more than memories of the past. They are the living heartbeat of our identity and the precious legacy entrusted to us by those who came before us. But today, many of these traditions are slowly fading away. If we do not preserve and pass them on, the future generations may know Goa only through books, photographs, videos, and social media. They may hear about our rich heritage, but will never experience its beauty. The future of Goa's heritage lies in our hands, and we need to cherish it, celebrate it, and keep it alive so that generations to come may not simply read about Goa's heritage, but proudly live it. सांजोवाच्या पोरबे दिसा दाखोवंक आयल्या मायज झोर बॉयज म्हणटात Goa is our heritage, our traditions. Thank you.
Check 2. Zor boys. Sajao, Sajao. Sajao, Sajao. Sajao, Sajao. Thank you so much. You may leave the stage. That was absolutely wonderful. Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, we have a dance performance by the Goa Tourism, represented by Dance Ophelia, Daryl and team, who will be performing on the Sanjao theme with a twist. I now call upon all the dancers on stage. Thank you. On stage, ladies and gentlemen, get your hands together for Dance Ophelia, a dance brought to you by Goa Tourism. Here we go.
Hello.
One more time, give a round of applause for that absolutely spectacular performance. Well done to you guys.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have a very special person from Cholim. He's a real performer. He's a writer, director, singer. He's the son of Cholim. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you one of the best singers from Cholim, a very popular singer. And he has composed a very special song on Cholim theme, Sanjao. Presenting to you the one and only BBC. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for BBC.
Check.
आता तुमचे मुखार येता शोलेचो फामाद कांतोरिस्ट BBC.
One. Check this.
Yeah. Could you please play the pen drive?
भांगाराचे गोवा आमचे संवसाराक आसता शांतीचे गोंये म्हूण जायतो टुरिस्ट दिसता सोबितायचे गोंया म्हणून लोक गोंयान वचता फेस्तां परबो करून गोंयकार खुशाल आसता सांजिवाचे फेस्त म्हूण आमी गोंया मनयताव शिवोलेच्या गांवान आमी सांजाव गाजयताव सांजाव म्हणून आमी माथ्या कोपेलां घालताव इल्लेशे कोपाचे मारून सांजाव मनयताव सांजिवाचे फेस्त म्हूण आमी गोंया मनयताव शिवोलेच्या गांवान आमी सांजाव गाजयताव सांजाव म्हणून आमी माथ्या कोपेलां घालताव इल्लेशे कोपाचे मारून सांजाव मनयताव फुलय फुलय सांजाव सांजाव सांजिवाचे फेस्त आदले पुर्वज करताले माती घुमटां वाजोवन वाजोवन ओवयो म्हणटाले नवे काजारी माथ्याक कपेलां घालताले सांजाव 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 म्हणून उदक न्हांवताले सांजिवाचे फेस्त म्हूण आमी गोंया मनयताव शिवोलेच्या गांवान आमी सांजाव गाजयताव सांजाव म्हणून आमी माथ्याक कोपेलां घालताव कोपाचे मारून सांजाव मनयताव फेस्त म्हूण आमी गोंया मनयताव शिवोलेच्या गांवान आमी सांजाव गाजयताव सांजाव म्हणून आमी माथ्याक कोपेलां घालताव इल्लेशे कोपाचे मारून सांजाव मनयताव फुलय फुलय सांजाव सांजाव सांजिवाच्या फेस्ताक माहुडीचे गोपेल येता आमे पणूस आनी नेस्पोच्यान घालून दिता नवी व्हंकल काजाराची दाली ती वांटा सान्नां वडे सोरपतेल गोंयकार रुची जेवता सांजिवाचे फेस्त म्हूण आमी गोंया मनयताव शिवोलेच्या गांवान आमी सांजाव गाजयताव सांजाव म्हणून आमी माथ्याक कोपेलां घालताव इल्लेशे कोपाचे मारून सांजाव मनयताव सांजिवाचे फेस्त म्हूण आमी गोंया मनयताव शिवोलेच्या गांवान आमी सांजाव गाजयताव सांजाव म्हणून आमी माथ्याक कोपेलां घालताव इल्लेशे कोपाचे मारून सांजाव मनयताव इल्लेशे कोपाचे मारून आमी सांजाव मनयताव सांजाव सांजाव
Well, well, well. Ladies and gentlemen, that was professional singer BBC singing a Sanjao theme song. Could you please make some noise for them once again? A big round of applause for BBC. Requesting the Bade boys to please come on the stage. Bade boys. And ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, we are going to have the most famous band in India, could I say, Goa. Black and White, they are going to perform in a short while from now. But right now, we have Bade Boys.
Viva Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! आम्ही बादे एक्सप्लोरर, आमचें नांव बादे एक्सप्लोरर म्हणटच आमी सगळ्या संवसाराक भोंवन संवसार एक्सप्लोर करता. तीन चार म्हयन्या फाटीं आमकां सांजोच्या प्रेसिडेंट सिल्वेस्टरान सांगलें, अरे तुमी खंयच्या कोणशाक आहात संवसाराच्या, गैर पेटलां इराण आनी अमेरिका मध्ये, आमकां तूं जाय, तुमी जायात सांजोंक 24 तारखेर जुनान, म्हणून आमी आयल्या एक्सप्लोर करून सगळो दर्या. आयज आमी हांगा आयल्या, सो आतां आमी तुमकां सांजोचे कांतार म्हणटले, मागीर आमी तुमकां फ्लोटाचे येयले 4 उतरां सांगतले.
सांजाव सांज वागोता मोरे वाट आमकां दिसोना, आयचो दीस उर्बेचो कोण कोणाक हांसोना. चल रे पिये रे तूं इल्लो गे रे, फाल्यां कांय मेवना, असली फेस्त वर्सा कित्याक 2 पावटी येयना. असली फेस्त वर्सा कित्याक 2 पावटी येयना. विवा सांजाव!
Sanjao, Sanjao! Sanjao, Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! Sanjao, Sanjao! Viva Sanjao! Sanjao, Sanjao!
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Get a round of applause for this super energetic group right there. Well done. Thank you so much.
Time up, time up.
I now call upon the next boat, members of Bade Royals, to kindly come up on stage. Thank you. As the group comes up on stage, we have one more spot prize coming your way. This one is for all the ladies out there.
Check, test.
This is more of a competition and less of a sport prize. This sport prize goes out to any lady out there with the most unique nail art. Saying it again, a lady out there with the most unique nail art. I'm saying it's not a first come, first serve. This is more of a competition. So if you believe you have some amazing nail art, all you have to do is come and line up to your left. That is my right on the stage right there. There's a big watermelon placed there. A watermelon slice. All you have to do is, ladies, assemble out there. And when you are called on stage for the judging, you will be called upon. Till then, you'll have to assemble over there, ma'am. Thank you. Now handing over the stage to Bade Royals.
Test. Good evening, everyone. Viva Sanjao Siolim! Viva Sanjao! We are the Bade Royals. And this year we have chosen the theme, the life of Saint John the Baptist. And we have made a float of locust. Yes, my dear friends, a locust. In the Old Testament, God had sent a plague to destroy the fields and the crops because the king over there was against the word of God and was capturing the Israelites. The same living Lord, my dear friends, allows Saint John the Baptist and commands him to consume it. Saint John the Baptist, the saint who baptized Jesus himself, the creator of heaven and earth and all of us. Yes, when Jesus came to Saint John the Baptist, he said, John the Baptist said, I am unworthy to untie the leashes of your sandals. Because John the Baptist said, I am the one who's going to give you baptism. I'm going to baptize you with water. But greater is he who will baptize you with fire. Saint John the Baptist lived in the wilderness with one mission that was entitled to him, and he did it completely and in the way, a manner pleasing to God. He isolated himself. He lived in the wilderness, listening to God's word. And if you all agree with me, Saint John the Baptist ate locust and wild honey. Locust, yes, which is our float of Bade Royals. Locust is the sign of destruction, despair, and my dear friends, wild honey is a sign of sweetness and abundance and full of blessings. The same God in Isaiah, like he said in the book of Isaiah, I blow the smith to burn the coal, to prepare the weapon fit for its purpose. I also create the ravager to destroy. Yes, my dear friends, Saint John the Baptist, who baptized God himself, lived a simple, God-fearing life, lived truly to the word of God. And yes, today we are here, the Royal Badekas, the Bade Royals as we call ourselves, with him wishing you all a very happy and a blessed Sanjao. And like every year, we come to Sanjao, Siolim, because Siolim is the fatherland and Bade is the motherland.
Wow, very well said.
Viva Sanjao! We
Very
all
well
love you
said.
guys. Take care. God bless.
Very well said, Fermin. Very well said. All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Bade boys.
Viva Sanjao!
Viva Sanjao. The next group, Matthias the Bade. Come on to the stage. Matthias the Bade, you wanted on the stage. Come with your group. We can't afford to waste time here.
As Matthias Dibade and his boys get on stage, I'm repeating the next spot prize. Ladies, with the most unique, I can see the, what's happening? The new unique nail art. All you have to do is assemble there. There is a piece of watermelon there. All you have to do is assemble there. When you're called on stage, you may make your way. Till then, on stage.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have another group, Bade boys. Charul Zandre. Viva Sanjao.
खुशाल खुशाल चोगोट आमी जाल्या बाद्यान सोट्यान शिवले आमी आयल्या वर्साक एक पावट खुसा कोपेल घालूंक येता देव बरें करूं देव बरें म्हण कोप आमी घेता बुधवार दीस आयचो खुशालकायेचो उमेदीन दीस जाता म्हणून सांजिवाचो विवा सांजो आयज आवाज घुमटा मादयांचो बुधवार दीस आयचो खुशालकायेचो उमेदीन दीस जाता म्हणून सांजिवाचो विवा सांजो आयज आवाज घुमटा मादयांचो सगळे आमी क्वेश्चन बरोवन जाणटे तशे भुरगे भुरग्यांच्या माथ्याक पोरमोळ फुलांचो चेडवां हातीर रावलां डिजायन घालून मेतयेचो हो दीस आमकां देवान फुडल्या वर्सा दिवचो सगळे आमी क्वेश्चन बरोवन जाणटे तशे भुरगे भुरग्यांच्या माथ्याक पोरमोळ फुलांचो चेडवां हातीर रावलां डिजायन घालून मेतयेचो हो दीस आमकां देवान फुडल्या वर्सा दिवचो विवा
Viva, viva.
विवा
Sanjao, Sanjao.
विवा सांजाव
Sanjao, Sanjao.
विवा सांजाव
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause to these Zor boys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to give the second gold coin for nail art, no? And we have a beautiful lady out here, Navya Jain. Come. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Navya Jain. Can you display nail art? Come a little further. Yeah, can you see your nail art? We are not biased. We give to the genuine person. Requesting Edgar, committee member. Edgar, the cashier, the treasurer of Sholin Sanjao committee, to give away the prize of gold coin to Navya Jain. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to present to you folk dance by our Sholkars, led by Anthony Gonsalves. Folk dance led by Anthony Gonsalves. Here we go. And very shortly, ladies and gentlemen, Black and White is going to set the stage on fire. So be prepared for that.
Gaudi Mulyara सदांच गाजता सगळे केरीत आमकां मान दिताय सगळे इश्टा गोड करूंक सोदताय आदले दूख काबार जावन आतां नितीर सूख आमचें वाडून चोडटा हो सगलो तांचो वावरू पडून मानू आमकां मेळटा तुमी गावडी म्हणल्यार आमी इतिहासाक नांव तें सदांच गाजता सगळे केरीत आमकां मान दिताय सगळे इश्टा गोड करूंक सोदताय आदलें दूख काबार जावन आतां नितीर सूख आमचें वाडून चोडटा आमी कुणब्यांनी रे भुरगीं आतां शिकोन जाल्याय व्हडलीं थोडे आदवोगाद आनी दोतोर थोडे ऑफिसांत पावलीं सगळ्यो भाशेच्यो नोकऱ्यो करताय आतां ना कसलो वेगळो जारू सगळे आमी हुशार जाल्याय फुलो रे आमचो संवसारू आमी कितले शिकले म्हणू मानास कोंकाणी विसरूंक ना आमी गोट्टी जाणाय सांबाळू आमची मीस गोंयकारपणां आमकां व्हडली उमेद भोगता सुदारूंक आमचें सुकुलें गोंय त्या पासत भायर सोरूंक आमकां केन्ना येनाय रे आमकां पांये आमी कितले शिकले म्हणू मायभास कोंकाणी विसरूंक ना आमी गोट्टी जाणाय सांबाळू आमची नीज गोंयकारपणां आमकां व्हडली उमेद भोगता सुदारूंक आमचें सुकुलें गोंय त्या पासत भायर सोरूंक आमकां केन्ना येनाय रे आमकां पांये
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was a beautiful folk dance led by Anthony Gonsalves and family. It was indeed beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before the next people could come in, the members of Black and White have arrived and they are going to perform very shortly. But we have too many gold coins. We have to give them, no? We have too many gold coins. So the next gold coin going out, this is something very interesting. Do you have your mobile? Everybody, everybody. Switch it on. Okay? Simple, simple. You're going to get a gold coin right now. So just switch on your mobile. And I'm going to tell you one number. Alistair is going to tell you one number. And you have to ring on that number. Whoever's call goes to him first. Poile call poita taka prize meutalo. Are you ready? Did you understand it? Call करपाचे नंबर दिला पळय ताचेर कॉल करपाचे आनी ताका पयले कॉल वयता पळय ताका प्राइज ओके एलिस्टर
Call करपाचे जीव खावपाचे न्हू मागीर I'll block. I'm going to say the number just once. I will not repeat it. The first call to come on this phone will take away this next gold prize. You guys ready? Yes or no? You ready? Yes or no? 8080946761. I got a call. I'm getting a call.
Hello.
I've got a call. I'm telling you the number in a second. Give me a second. Hold on. This gold coin goes out to the number 9511833273. Check.
Test. All right, ladies and gentlemen, आता तुमचे मुखार येता
A kind
कोंकणी
request.
माचयेचे फामाद जोडपे कोंकणी माचयेचे Peter Roshan. Aikoyan tanche. Kantar.
Saying this again. The
Viva
prize.
Sanjao!
Tuk. Yes.
एकादार किरीट पेटविला शिवोले कराक त्याच भाशेन सिल्वेस्टर वाज आनी ताच्या सांगात्याक
Disanik din वर्सां जालीं शिवोलेचो सांजाव मनयता
ओजारांनी वेगवेगळे गांवचो लोक हांगासर धांवन येता
सिल्वेस्टरांनी ताचे सांगाती आदितान हो सांजाव घडून हाडटा
आयच्या दिसा सगळेच भाव कशे एकामेकाक मोगान ते बेगोयता
वसलो वचनादीक सांजाव गोंया भितर पयलो
रंग रंगीत कपेलां आनी कुरीस केदो व्हडलो
पारंपरीक सांजाव पळोवंक लोक गोंयाक धांवलो
तोरे तोरेची व्हडली पळोवन लोक हो जापलो
दिसानीक दिन वर्सां जालीं शिवोलेचो सांजाव मनयता ओजारांनी वेगवेगळ्या गांवचो लोक हांगासर धांवून येता
विवा सांजाव
विवा शिवोलकार सांजाव 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 गुंता शिवोलकार सान्ना होले कोता
आयच्या दिसाक लोक वाडटा पणस आनी ओनसां कातोता
विवा सांजाव मुंतोडी नाचता इल्लोसो काजूचो पियेता
आयच्या दिसाक कुशीन मोत्ता आनी कुशाल बोलीत जावन घरा वेता
इतली वर्सां पासून शिवोलकारांनी पयसो मोडलो
2 वर्सां जालीं टुरिजमान आदार दिलो
पारंपरीक सांजाव शिवोलकारांनी सांबाळलो
सांजाव पाकिस्तान ताचेर आशीर्वाद घातलो
दिसानीक दिन वर्सां जालीं शिवोलेचो सांजाव मनयता ओजारांनी वेगवेगळ्या गांवचो लोक हांगासर धांवून येता विवा सांजाव विवा शिवोलकार
सांजाव सांजाव खुंता विवा सांजाव
सिल्वेस्टर वाज आनीक सांगाती वो सांजाव करूंक सदांच एकठांय उरो
शिवोलीकार वयते शिवोलकार हे सांजावा उदेशी कुशीन बरो
नवी काजार जाल्या तांगेर मावोडेचें वगळ वैकून पावो
कोण मोगान पडोंक राती हे सांजावाच्या दिसाक मोगान पडो
वचे बेगीन पावो विवा 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 सांजाव चुगलो तारा
परबी तुमकां दिता आमी एक एक शिवोलकारा
शिवोलेचो सांजाव आसता आख्या संवसारा
एकठांय जावन सांजाव मनयता एक दोरा
विवा रे विवा सांजाव एक एक गोंयकारा
परबी तुमकां दिता आमी एक एक शिवोलकारा
शिवोलेचो सांजाव आसता एक एक संवसारा
एकठांय जावन सांजाव मनयता ते मोतीन दोरा वर्सां जालीं शिवोलेचो सांजाव मनयता
दिसानीक दिन वर्सां जालीं शिवोलेचो सांजाव मनयता ओजारांनी वेगवेगळ्या गांवचो लोक हांगा सोदावून येता पोचारांनी वेगवेगळ्या गांवचो लोक हांगा सोदावून येता लोक हांगा सोदावून येता बोलो शिवराम
Viva Sanjam!
Viva Sanjam!
A big round of applause to this wonderful duo of Peter and Roshan. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to give the gold coin to the person who made the first call, right? The person who made the first call, and he's right here. Ajay Bele from Maharashtra. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Aniku Hata. Best couple, senior and junior category will also get a gold coin. So we can watch. And little later, Black and White is performing.
Just a quick announcement. Please stop calling me. Winner is already declared. I won't be answering your calls. But just a quick one. All of you, the entry out there, right there, requesting you to kindly move forward. Please do not stand at the entry. There's plenty of space right here. I can comfortably fit another 100 people out here. No offense.
All right, thank you.
Saying it again, requesting you to kindly come in. Allow the people who want to enter and exit at the same time. Do not crowd. That's the only entry we have there. It's 1 point of entry, 1 point of exit. So please, plenty of space to dance around right here and get a close-up view of the stage and the performers right in front of you. Thank you. Vincent, up to you, sir.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, requesting the members of Manna Boys to please come on to the stage, led by William, I believe. Punch, William Fernandez. Manna Boys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it up for them. Let's hear it up for them. Put your hands together for this Manna Boys. They have done something very unique. And the mastermind behind this will be Sydney from Arambol. That's for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, Manna Boys.
Check.
Hello, hello.
Check total putting
Good evening, everyone. Enjoy yourself, but don't drink and drive. It's too dangerous for Goa. Have fun, enjoy. Viva Sanjao!
Viva Sanjam. Very good message by the gentleman out there. Thank you. Dev Bane Karo. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's put our hands together for Manna Boys. And thank you very much for your lovely message.
Coming up next on stage, Wadi Legends. Kindly make your way to the stage. Thank you. Until then, we have one more spot prize coming your way. This spot prize goes out to any individual out there. The first person to come to us right there at the corner, requesting Adrian to kindly stand on the stairs right there. Thank you. The first person to reach that boy there in the white with a black bag on his chest, with a picture, a physical copy, paper, a picture of St. John the Baptist baptizing Jesus. The first one to reach there with the picture takes away the next gold coin. Saying it again, it has to be a physical picture, not on the phone. Till then, Wadi Legends on stage, please. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Wadi Boys, put your hands together. Wadi Legends, sorry. Led by Rosario de Sholim, all the way from Dubai.
Announcing the prize again. First person to reach Adrian out there with a physical copy of St. John the Baptist baptizing Jesus takes away the next gold coin. A quick check if you guys are still up and not too comfortable. Sanjao, Sanjao! Sanjao, Sanjao! Sanjao, Sanjao!
आमी जावन आसा वाडी लेजंड्स आनी आमचो आयचो थीम जावन आसा स्नेल कोंगो जो सगल्याक नितोवसाण दवरता सो तो जावन आसा आमचो आयचो थीम आमी हे स्पेशल एक कांतार हाडला तुमकां जो आमचो फादर बॉलमॅक्स जो आतां फाटल्याच दिसांनी सोरोन गेला त्याच्या नांवान एक आमी हें डेडिकेशन कशें ताका म्हणटा कित्याक तो वावुरलो नितोवसाण दवरपाक आनी नेचर सांबाळपाक ओके Viva Sanjao! आमी सगळीं जाणां बराबर म्हणा तेगूय आमी गिटारिस्ट च्या कामाक आमकां पयलो मेवला बक्षीस वाजोयता आमी कसलोय वेश वाजोयता आमी ताका दिस
सोमेस आमकां वळखता म्हणून ताका ते काटीश
कितें रे वाजोवपाचें झुंपाका 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 कितें गो वाजोवपाचें झुंपाका 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 आमचें नांवूच काडल्यार सांगता सगळो लोक वळखता आमकां कसल्याय कामाक भियेना फकत झुंपाका 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 कितें रे वाजोवपाचें झुंपाका 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 कितें गो वाजोवपाचें झुंपाका 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 आमचें नांवूच काडल्यार सांगता सगळो लोक वळखता आमकां कसल्याय कामाक भियेना फकत झुंपाका 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 बोलोय आमी दाराक डान्साक वाजोयता
पुंगसांव आमचे सोबयता पुंगसांव आमचे वाजोवप मेल्ल्यांक स्वर्गार पावयता चेडे चेडवांक
आमी नाचोयता नाचोन नाचोन तोगोयता
लोलतोल्या बेमकासून
घरा पावयता कितें रे वाजोवप आमचें
झुंपाका झुंपाका झुंपाका
कितें गो वाजोवप आमचें झुंपाका झुंपाका झुंपल्याय कामाक भियेना फकत
झुंपाका 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 कितें
रे वाजोवप आमचें झुंपाका 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 कितें गो
वाजोवप आमचें झुंपाका झुंपाका झुंपाका
आमचें नांवूच काडल्यार सांगता सगळो लोक वळखता आमकां कसल्याय कामाक भियेना फकत झुंपाका 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 Come on, Jolka! Viva Sanjay! भुरग्यांक
म्युझिक शिकोयात
मुजगाचो दर्जो वाडोयात गोंयकार मुजगान हुशार म्हूण संवसाराक दाखोयात पुंगसांव तुमचे आसत तर एकूच फावट तो फोन म्हाका कर नाचोन नाचोन सामको आमचो आमी काडटा फोन कितें रे वाजोवप आमचें
झुंपाका झुंपाका झुंपाका
कितें गो वाजोवप आमचें
झुंपाका झुंपाका झुंपाका
आमचें नांवूच काडल्यार सांगता सगळो लोक वळखता आमकां कसल्याय कामाक भियेना फकत
झुंपाका झुंपाका झुंपाका
कितें गो वाजोवप आमचें
झुंपाका झुंपाका झुंपाका
कितें गो वाजोवप आमचें
झुंपाका झुंपाका झुंपाका
आमचें नांवूच काडल्यार सांगता सगळो लोक वळखता आमकां कसल्याय कामाक भियेना फकत झुंपाका 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 कसल्याय कामाक भियेना फकत झुंपाका 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 विवा सांजो
वेवा सांजा
आनी एक सांगता आमी स्पेशल एका मनशाक आपयला ही इज फ्रॉम बेनावलीम ताणें फाटल्या दिसांनी 26 लोकांक सेव्ह केल्ले आय थिंक तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसतली तेका आमी हाडलेलो कित्याक तो गोंयच्या पासत खूब आवडटा ओके पहिले
Just a quick translation for people that did not understand that. We have a very famous Goan personality with us right here. Goes by the name of Fisherman Pele. He saved 26 people a while ago. Give it up for this gentleman right there.
आमी ताका हे फाटी इन्वायट केलो येवन आमच्या बरी मातसो राव आनी सेलिब्रेट कर म्हणून आनी तो आमच्या उतराक हांगासर आसा 2 उतरां तुजी.
पयल्या सुवातेक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा शिवोलकारांक तुमी आमचें गोंयचें नांव राखलें. आज मोर देन 40 years हो आमचो शिवोलेचो विवाह सोंजाव तुमी सोबयलो आख्याच गोंयाच न्ही आख्याच वर्ल्डाक. शाबाश. ऑल द टुरिस्ट हू कम हियर टू वॉच दीस सोंजाव गिव देम बिग क्लॅप. This is our tradition in Goan. Viva Sojao. Every day is a good day. Life is beautiful in Sholem.
Every day is a good day. Life is beautiful in Sholem. Thank you very much, Pele. You are becoming popular day by day.
Thank you so much, boys. Thank you so much. Vincent, sir, if you can do the honors, please.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll announce a gold coin for a picture of St. John the Baptist baptizing Jesus. And we have a winner out here. Raymond Colosso from Sharon. Can I request you to come over here? Raymond Colosso from Sharon has won the prize for that picture of St. John the Baptist with Jesus. And requesting one of our committee member, Gilson Gomes, to give the gold coin to Raymond Colosso from Sharon.
Get your hands together. Come on, now, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be such sourpusses. Come on, get your hands together. And now, thank you so much, sir. And now a band that needs no introduction, but I'm going to do it anyways. With your foot tapping, body shaking, head banging music, Samke Tokli Dhadoing music, I say this with all positivity. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up on stage, Goa's top live band, making a name all over the world. Get your hands together for none other than Black in White.
Mokela.
out to you. How you guys doing? All right, this is Black and White for you today. I want you all to celebrate this beautiful feast with us. Are you guys ready to sing along? It's for all the beautiful lovers. Let me hear you.
I love you, baby. If it's quite alright, I need you, baby. So on these lonely nights, I love you, baby.
Joel in the house, everybody.
Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, say, let me love you, baby, let me love you.
Surya ekut dunya sora, to serce dzieci będzie sroma kara. Doryak sıkı burdi uci tugona, tu kaboylar gerit kaituru tona. Ivernatya sorgli sona, tu chabo gorba kutus rozo kona. Garzan gorbanla korak suvatna, fogo tu katani samchi gorozna. Mok tuja sopani, to satsor tuja dolani. Morcina exuri, tu izamoje bori. Sukon gela, ukom doriache, moran kollero lord morbache, ukollar dal patarache, doshi zavchinu chikunga.
All right, sing along with me. I love you, baby. If it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To all these lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, say, let me love you, baby. Let me love you.
For everybody in Kalangu. We're the one and only for you, everybody. Russo in the house. Let me see you make some noise for him.
Dziwne kocie, stąd mola, for I'm in love with Diana, Corva Corina, so I'll take this stuff from me.
What do you say? Let me hear it.
Let's sing it now. I love Esta, lovely Esta, Zoltana Zagirani così vista, piano basta, amo che sta, a occhi tuoi sotto, manca che una sta, potremmo già sta, così che uno sta, potremmo già sta, così malditi sta.
Thank you very much, everybody. You guys are already amazing.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this next song is something by Alfred Rose. If you know this one, let's all make some noise and sing together. Are you ready? Selena. Selena.
Let's go.
Everybody sing it.
Marina Modelo, oggi saltare in prossimi, da capo mia casa, non vi più fanno passare. Ascolta lo so mirante, kuch corunasle, te ascolto sai, caritmo de
Everybody sing it.
Selina, na tantalita, Selina, avevo l'ora. Selina, grazie alla caldisti, l'ora, Selina, con un clamera.
You know what to sing after this.
Oggi sam carte posto, arius loro un peladine, caffè pieta l'otto, oggi a tante sucche, oggi andavo all'otto, questi cazzo bolle, questi che schiaffo Selin raga,
You know it, let me hear you.
Selina, avevo tesori, me sarasti, dalle carni soli. Amore, non puoi arrasare un pari, un calzando come un attore.
One more time. Hey. Well, thank you very much, everybody. We're just getting started for you. Well, do you guys want some more? Let's go.
And we
Rise, 36 war sabotat. Well, let me see you jump, let's go.
Comes behind the
Let me show you what you're missing. Paradise, with me you're winning, girl. You're not too old to place. Tell me what you're really here for. These are the guys I can see right through you. Oh, you seem like the type to love and believe it. And disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you and hold you. Don't leave me out and dancing alone. You can't make up your mind. I'm trying to rewind. Our shots can come together as one. Shawty is a animal lover. Shawty is a animal lover. Shawty is a animal lover. Shawty is a animal lover.
And to all my Swifties in the house tonight, you gotta sing it with me. Well, here's what I'm gonna tell you. Dream of gold, yeah, when I first saw you, I close my eyes and the flashback starts. Thought about you. See the party before now. See you made your way through the crowd and sing along. Let us tonight on. That you were Romeo, you were
You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Say, everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else does. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your head gets me overwhelmed. And when you smile at the crowd, it is hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you understand why I want you so desperately. But now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Yeah! Beautiful! Well, we've got something even more special for you tonight, all right? But you gotta promise me one thing. Are you guys gonna sing along? I know you guys are gonna do that anyway. But are you guys gonna dance along? All right, I need to see all of your energy right now. Let's go. Scott, for you.
Susan Lago, tuya para la sola Margot. Susan Lago, tuya para la sola Margot. Vai te ficava por toda Susan Lago, Are you ready?
Hey!
Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call my friend up on stage. Make some noise for Brad Young.
Well, everybody, viva Sanjao!